So welcome back everyone, Mike here. Today we are going to try out the Stihl Kombi System. Alright, what we have here is the Stihl KMA 135R. Got the blower attachment, string trimmer, hedge trimmer, pole saw. I have not used this, or this yet, but I've used this quite a bit. Works really well. Now I have just one battery, so today we're also going to find out how long one of these batteries lasts. This is the AP300S. So what we're going to do, we're going to load all this stuff up in the back of the Sidekick and head down to my mom's place. I got a bunch of work to do down there. Hedge trimmer, pole saw, string trimmer, blower, and the power head. All right, we're down here on my mom's driveway, and although we don't have any hedges, we've got all this invasive stuff that keeps creeping out into the driveway. So I'm going to try out the hedge trimmer on this. If it's too much for it, you know, I've got the pruning saw, the pole saw as well. But I think that hedge trimmer, I just want to cut things back a little bit. And then up ahead, I've got some big limbs hanging out over the driveway. We'll use the pole saw for that. This is all you do to put it on. Slide this in there, tighten it up. Good to go. All you do to adjust the angle, pull back on this right here. There's a whole bunch of different settings. Contact. Oh yeah. Our little test may run short. It's starting to rain right now, but I don't think it's going to last. Most of the rain's supposed to come this evening. But anyway, the hedge trimmer worked really good for this invasive stuff. What I need to do some point when things calm down is bring the excavator down here and just rip all this stuff out of here by the roots. Find a good place to pile it up and burn it. It's just constantly creeping in on the driveway. But something I want to mention about this, there's 3 speed settings on this. I was running it in the middle with the hedge trimmer. At first I had it kind of full throttle, wide open. Seems to work better right about in the middle for the hedge trimmer. Next up, before it rains real hard, I'm going to hook up the string trimmer here. And we're going to go the whole way up there to where the driveway lies, down both sides, and we'll trim all these weeds along the side. Not telling you what to do, but I would make sure you don't lose this and keep it on there. That thing is very sharp. Change from a hedge trimmer to string trimmer. Loosen this. Pull her out. Tighten it up. Ready to go. right, I got both sides of the driveway, you know, just a couple feet off of each side. To give you some idea, it's probably 250, yeah, maybe even 300 feet I went up and back down the other side. Now, I was running the string trimmer wide open at its highest setting. This stuff was pretty tall and pretty thick. That amount of string trimming right there, as I call it, weed eating, is probably more than a lot of people do just in their lawn. And so far, what have I done so far? I used the blower to dry off the sidekick. I used the hedge trimmer to trim back that invasive stuff. And also something worth a mention, if you get something like this, I don't know if I said it before or not, definitely get this one that'll angle. Makes your approach so much better when you're walking along the driveway trying to get stuff this way. But anyway, I used the hedge trimmer, blower, string trimmer so far. Next up, we're going to use the pole saw up around the turn there. There's some limbs hanging way down. Okay, we'll take the trimmer head off. Pole saw. Give you a better look at this bar and chain here. And by the way, this is where your bar oil goes. The only oil we're using here today. Huh. Pole saw works fantastic, and by the way, they have extensions for this if you need to reach higher. You know, what's nice about this, there's some weight out here, but this battery's pretty heavy as well, so it balances out pretty nice. Now we'll do a little more trimming. All right, another thing worth a mention, if you're like me, you would probably lose these rubber caps, but it would probably be best to try to keep your eye on these and put them on the ends of the shaft when these attachments aren't in use. Now I'm going to put the blower on. This is the BG KM, and we'll just go down along here, blow some of this grass off the driveway. I doubt it will blow those sticks down there that I trimmed off earlier. We'll just give it a quick touch up here, and then we'll see how much battery we have left. right, well, there you have it. I got it all cleaned up. Now, keep in mind, when I was running the string trimmer and the blower, you're on the trigger the whole time. So it probably eats up quite a bit of battery doing that. Pole saw, hedge trimmer, not so much. And I still have 1 bar left on the battery. That is very, very impressive. Now, if I was down here running a trimmer all day long, I would definitely have a gas-powered trimmer. But for most people's needs, I think this is the ticket right here. And everything fits right in the back of the Sidekick. Heck, you could put this in the trunk of your Tesla, start a lawn care business, strap a mower to the roof, you'd be good to go. Power unit, hedge trimmer, blower, string trimmer, pole saw, all right there. Now, full disclosure, all that equipment is on loan from Stihl. They lend us equipment on occasion to use in videos. I feel that it makes good content. It's informative, being able to see real people doing real things on a real piece of property. But anyway, like I always say, if you enjoy these videos, please hit the like button, click subscribe, and share them with your friends. Thanks.